All right, well, for many people, the holidays can increase stress, and our next guest is here to show us how to make a cozy holiday drink that can keep you calm and warm. Welcome back, Audree Lee. It's great to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, all right, so it is freezing outside this morning.
Super cold.
Yes, cold, but you have a warm drink to, make us feel nice and cozy inside, and it's also helping us to just kind of relax and woosah in the midst of all the craziness going on. All right, so talk about this drink. What's the name of it? And,
so this is a Wassail. That's what most people know it by.
Okay.
It's my holiday spice drink.
Oh, okay.
And I usually bring it to any event that I go to because it just does something to us during this time of the year with the ingredients that are in it.
Okay.
We know that this is a season for spices, cinnamon, clove, all of those, and they're warming. But they're really good for our emotional being.
Okay.
And for people that are eating a little bit too many sweets, it helps to keep the sugar levels down.
Okay, so what makes a wassail different than, say, a tea that someone might have?
Well, it's really the way you put it together. Now, there's really no sugar in this, which this is a good thing for a lot of people because we want to cut back on sugars.
Absolutely.
It has an orange juice, apple juice, all freshly squeezed. And then, of course, you add in all of your additives like your cinnamon, your clove. You can put that right on the stove, but it can be drank hot or cold.
Okay.
But it also has good things to help with the liver like lemon and all your citrus oils like wild orange.
Okay.
And then to kick up the heat, it has a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay, awesome. And so this is a healthy drink.
It is healthy.
I know that part of the ingredients, you've put some essential oils in here, right?
I have.
So talk to us about, first of all, essential oils. A lot of people are hearing more about them these days. What are they and how are they helping in different aspects of our health?
So essential oils are aromatic compounds. They really come from plants. If you think about the plants that we should be eating, your fruits and vegetables, all those are your plants. These are literally just those things. They're either a spice, an herb, or a plant itself. Okay. And so these are obviously a lot of the holiday ones, but there are others that we can use. The ones I chose today are really going to help with as I mentioned, the emotional being that people may go through during the holiday seasons, whether they're up or down, or whether they want to be up or down.
Yeah.
That helps to do that.
Yeah.
And
I'm sorry. Yeah,
that's
go ahead.
okay. But the oils in general, they're aromatic compounds for the most part, and they can be used so many ways, but we're taking them internally today.
Okay, and it's just making me think that, a lot of times the holidays can be, a lot of people can be down during the holidays. They may have lost someone, just different things going on. So which oils are naturally, I guess, mood boosters that you are including in this drink?
Your citrus oils.
Okay.
If we think about citrus oils, we can think about how when you're outside and you look at the beautiful trees, the orange trees, the lemon trees, the lime trees, those actually make you feel a certain way, but they also help to detoxify the body at the same time. So they have a double-headed sword, if you will.
So good for your mental, emotional, as well as physical health.
Yes.
All right. Well, I would love to taste some of this if possible.
Now, I made it where we could take it hot or cold. This is obviously hot.
Okay.
And this is cold.
Whichever one you think is easier to
Well, let's just start
get to.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can
and
do
then
both.
what you want to do is to just give it the peel that people want to see how beautiful it is. You just add your berries in there because I put a little cranberries. I have cinnamon. We have clove too.
Oh, that is very nice.
Yeah, it has a little kick to it, right?
Yeah, it's not too much.
And you can adjust it however you want. If you want a little bit more kick, you add a little bit more ginger. If you want a little bit more tang, you add a little bit more citrus. So that's it. But great for mental health especially.
Oh yeah, no. So how many of these would you say you need to drink to actually feel the effects?
Especially when people don't want to do a lot of alcohol, this is a great substitute for it because it kind of, not that it tastes like alcohol, but we know that all of the alcohols are made from berries. So we're actually learning how to use our original foods for our healing and our wholeness at the same time.
Yeah, absolutely. What they say, knock it all out with one stone.
Yeah, and this is a great way to do that. And also help with children too during this time. They're excited because Christmas is coming, but this can help them keep them calm too. Okay,
so are essential oils good for children as well? Are there any that folks should stay away from, whether it be a child or people are pregnant, anything like that?
So there are safety rules for all the oils, but the ones that are really great for children are the calming oils. And one of the ones I highly recommend is lavender. It really will calm your inner and your outer being because oils do just what they say, they bring peace.
Okay, and you don't just have to put them in a drink or food, but you can put them on your temples and different parts of your body?
The basic ways is for safety is to use them topically on the skin, kind of like you use all your over-the-counter beauty meds, or you can take them internally aromatic. That means just diffuse them in a diffuser. That gets the atmosphere changed, and it gets you changed as well, and maybe sometimes the people around you that you want to change.
Yeah, so a little hidden
secret.
treasure. Yeah, all right. Well, Audree Lee, thank you so much for joining us this morning. This is delicious.
Thank you.
As always, you were
Thank
just
you.
showing us ways to be healthy and
be
for it to
better.
taste good too. All right.
Wellness for the win.
Absolutely. All right. So again, Audree, thank you. If you are interested in learning more about this drink or any of Audree's other recipes and all the wonderful things that she's doing to help us get healthier, you can connect with her on all social media platforms as well as her website, audreeleehealth.com. All right, we appreciate you being here. And if you have any ideas for Jewell Jems, you can email me at jhillary@wgntv.com.